Alright, so we are going to record my little incident with this. Alright, there's the character I want to play. Let's enter the world. Alright, gets to there. Still on the load screen. Alright, let's see now what happens after a couple seconds. Because this is getting really fucking annoying. Yep, character not found. Huh, yet she's right there. Yeah, let's go do a different one. Oh, looky here, my tune. Alright, let's open up all this shit. Alright, my mounts. Now let's log out. Because obviously he's there. But why isn't she? Blizzard needs to fix their shit. Who agrees with me? Yep, there it goes yet again. She's right there. For some reason can't enter the world, so let's just quit out of this. Yeah, I have no problem showing all this, by the way. My computer. Brand new. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Alright. Now that the game's restarted, let's try again. That's fine, I don't care if my phone's about to die. I'm still recording this. Yep. Awesome. So, obviously, WoW has crashed. Must have... No, come here. That would be the only other thing I think of, so... Well, if anyone has any suggestions or knows what's going on because it's happened to you, please leave it in the comments. I will read them and try to see if I can't get Blizzard to fix their shit. Fucking just trying to level my character. Well, there guys.